Good morning, students. In our business, there are lot of transactions, and to record all the transactions in a systematic way, there is a need of accounting, and there is also the need of accounting for recording and communicating the financial results of operations of an organization to various concerned parties such as stakeholders, government agencies, etc., and to provide information that helps the management of the organization to plan the future course of action and other funds related issue. Students, now we will understand what is the definition of accounting. Definition of accounting given by American Accounting Association. This is very important definition. Accounting is the process of identifying, measuring and communicating economic information to permit informed judgments and decisions by users of the information. These are the main features of accounting. The first one is identifying the transactions in monetary terms, and after identifying we measure all the transactions and events in the terms of money, and after identifying and measuring we record all the transactions. Accounting helps to record all the business transactions of financial character in an orderly manner. Recording is done on various journal. The next feature is classifying. After the systematic analysis of recording data, the entries of similar nature are grouped at one place. Transactions are classified on journal, and after preparing journal we make ledgers, and after that we summarize all the accounts. So the classified data is displayed in understandable and easy to use statements such as profit and loss, such as trial balance, profit and loss, and balance sheet. Now we will understand the functions of accounting. Financial dealings. Accounting records only monetary transactions that are financial nature. Analyzing. A methodical classification of recorded data and presenting in financial statements such as current liabilities, etc. Interpreting. Accounting help in explaining the meaning and significance of the data in simplified form. Communicating. Accounting helps in communicating the analyzed and interpreted information in the form of graphs, ratios, etc. Accounting refers to designing the system for recording the financial data and then presenting it in logical manner to the end users. Now we should know who are these end users of accounting information. Proprietors. Profitability and financial health of an enterprise needs to be communicated to the proprietors. Managers. Financial disclosures communicate the financial health and help the managers to plan the manage the enterprise better. Creditors. Entities that have extended credit look into financial statement to ascertain security of their credit. Government. Financial statements serve as the basis of meeting government liabilities pertaining to taxation, labor, corporate laws, employees, bonus or profits sharing or employees stock option plan prepared using financial statements is the this is the role of an accountant. Role of the accountant in public service provides services such as financial audit, cost audit, etc. Is the member of professional bodies Institute of Chartered Accountants of India and Institute of Cost and Work Accountants of India, trained in a prescribed manner and observe accounting principles enunciated by the professional body. Observe the code of ethics laid down by the professional body. The role of accountant in employment is employed in business or non-business entities, maintain accounting records for the entity, provides information for tax return, financial performance, etc. Maintenance of the book of accounts keeps a systematic record of business transactions, provides information on financial performance of the entity, helps the management of an organization in taking important decisions on the basis of vital account information, reduces the risk of losing information due to loss of memory because the information is recorded, maintains the accounting records systematically that are acceptable to tax authorities and can be taken as evidence in court of law, services as the basis for proper evaluation of business entity. Thank you for today.